Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Drive to Zapier, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Zapier website. Log in to your Zapier account. If you need to create an account, follow the prompts to sign up. Once logged in, look for the Make a Zap button on your dashboard. Click on Make a Zap to begin creating your automation. In the Trigger section, search for and select Google Drive. Choose a trigger event from the list that appears. Examples of trigger events include new file or new folder. Click on Continue after selecting your desired trigger. Next, connect your Google Drive account to Zapier. You will see a button that says Sign in to Google Drive. Click on that button to start the authentication process. A new window will pop up asking you to log into your Google account. Enter your Google account credentials and click Next. You may need to grant Zapier permission to review the permissions and click Allow to proceed. Once connected, select the specific Google Drive folder you want to use for the trigger. Click Continue to move forward. You can test the trigger to ensure it's set up correctly. Zapier will fetch a sample file from Google Drive for verification. After confirming the trigger works, click Continue. Now proceed to the Action section to define what you want to happen next. Search for and select the application you want to connect with Google Drive. Again, choose your desired action event from the list provided. Click Continue after selecting your action event. You'll need to connect the selected app to Zapier. Just like before, follow the prompts to authenticate the other app. After authorization, configure any necessary settings for the action. Once you've finished setting up the action, click Continue. You can test the action to confirm it's functioning correctly. Zapier will execute the action based on the sample data from the trigger. After testing, click Finish to complete your Zap. Be sure to give your Zap a meaningful name. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.